Hello ladies and gentlemen, Dana Boy here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish change of name on Nigerian newspaper and also do your CAC newspaper publication, the two newspaper publication that there's necessary for CAC. I'll show you how you can get everything done in this video, and it's very, very affordable, and you get it in 24 hours. So guys, let me show you how it's been done. So I'm going to put the link to the website in the description box below on the comment section. Just click on it. You will come to this site. All you have to do is just to basically you click on the register button and you put in your details and you're going to register. But I already have an account with them, so I'm just going to click on the login and I'm going to fill in my own details here, and it's going to take me straight to the dashboard since I already have an account. But you that don't have an account, you're going to register. They will send you an email verification. You verify yourself and you're good to go. So I would advise you to actually install it as an application. So instead of you coming to the site all the time, coming to the URL site, just come to you become an application on your phone which you can actually get access to at any time. So I'm going to click on install here and it's going to be installed here. So I'll just tap on the install again and it's going to be installed on my phone. So guys, let's continue. So when you come here, I'm going to come to under this place, you're going to see this publication. You see this publication, so just tap on it. You're going to tap on it, then it's going to open the interface. So here you can do two types of newspaper application. You can do change of name and you can do CAC trustee. So I'll walk you through the both of them, and as you can see that for the change of name, it will cost you 5,000 naira. So to publish your name, your change of name notification on newspaper. Now the two newspaper is going to that this particular site to publish on, which is very, very valid and it works 100% fine in Nigeria, is News Direct and West African Business News. So if I don't publish change of name, is that if I've been published on News Direct or you are published in West Africa Business newspaper. And if I'm doing CAC trustee TSA newspaper publication, you'll be published on the two, which is very, very important. Now, let me quickly say this. On this particular side, for you to get your newspaper the next day, you have to submit before 4:30 of that particular day. You have to submit before 4:30 of that particular day. So just make it less before 4 o'clock that particular day. So the next day is going to be published, except from Saturday and Sunday. So if you submit it on Friday, you most likely get it on Monday. So you understand. So it's very, very straightforward. So let me show you for the change of name here. You just come here and go to type your former name. So let me say my former name is let me just put this. Let me just put this name, Joseph Mike, right? And the new name I want to enter, let's say it's Mike Joseph, that most likely. And here you have to put supporting document. So let me quickly say this. On the supporting document, in this document you can submit is either your marriage certificate, you can submit your marriage certificate, or you submit an affidavit, a court affidavit, is that marriage certificate or court affidavit. These are the two supporting documents. So when you are done with that, all you have to do is to click on review and proceed. So I'm going to click OK. You have to submit a document. Let me just tap on this. Let me just put any document for this particular video. Just know that you have to submit. You just snap your marriage certificate. Basically just snap it. So let me just submit. I'm just going to submit just anyone here, just for the sake of this, so it can go. So you have to click on proceed review. So it's going to show you this particular interface, that this is your former name and this is the new name. So you have to be sure that this is the actual arrangement you want. So when you are done with that, just click on pay and submit, and automatically is going to be submitted. Now let me quickly show you how you can actually fund your wallet, because before you can actually make payment, you have to fund your wallet. So let's go back to home here. So when I click on the home, you're going to see this button fund. You see this button fund here. This is how you have to fund your wallet. So if you are doing the newspaper publication or change of name, you have to fund your wallet. I'm going to tap on fund. So when I tap on fund, now it's going to generate. So you see a button that says generate virtual account. But for mine, I've already generated my account. That's why it's like this way. So you can actually generate a virtual account which you can send money to. Or if you don't want to generate a virtual account, you can actually pay through bank transfer. You just put the amount you want to pay here and you are good to go. So automatically you get credited. It happens within seconds. And if you have any problem, of course, you can contact their support and they are ready to help you. So now let's do for the newspaper publication for CAC. So you come here, you see CAC trustee. So for the IT name, you put the name of the church association club. So let me just call it Daniel Club. Okay, let me just call it this Daniel Social Club. Let me just call it Daniel Club. Then you're going to put the name of the trustees and their positions. Let me say this person is Daniel. The way it is when you are doing the registration, then let's say this is the chairman. I'm going to write chairman. Then you can add more trustees. So let's say the second person is Aderoboy. I'm just trying to show you, of course, you put the full name. And the person is secretary. So I'm going to put the secretary. So if you have other trustees, obviously, you just add more trustees. Now for the aims and objective, the aims and objective you have submitted during your registration is what I'm going to put here. So let me say here to promote godly character. Is the same what you have submitted for CC is that you're going to put here. So if you have more than one, of course, if you have more than one, you click on add objective, you put the second one, the third one. Then when you are done, you're going to click on this review. And okay, let me see how to fill. Okay, I opened some that did not fill. Let me just close this one for the sake of this. So then you're going to click on review and proceed, and it's going to show you like a quick review of what you have submit, what you are about to submit. And don't forget that you still also have to fund your wallet. So for the two newspaper publication, let me quickly say this: for CAC newspaper publication, it is two you are going to get, News Direct and West Africa Business News, and these have been what I myself have been using for a very, very long time on CAC station, and that's no issue whatsoever. So you're going to get it, and you're going to get the two for 14,000 naira. On a normal day, I think if I to go to their ways, you get each for 10,000 or 12,000 naira. So but you're getting the two for 14,000 naira here. So just click on pay and submit. Now, the way you can, when you come down here, you're going to see your requests. You see this recent request. So when the thing is newspaper is already ready, you're going to see a download button where you can actually download the newspaper in PDF. Actually, you download the PDF and you're going to go. You can actually use it and it is 100% valid. So guys, this is how you can actually do your change of name and CAC newspaper publication, and it is super easy. So if you have any comment, you can drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. So I'm Daniel Boy, and before I go on the particular app, you can also do other things like you can check for your NIN. So there is NIN check here. You can actually reprint your NIN slip. So this is NIN slip. So if I tap on this NIN slip, for example, I can actually reprint, the premium, the standard. I can also print the your PVN, and of course you have to have consent before you can do all this. So let me quickly show you the application that has been installed. So let me see, where is that? Okay, so let's see. So this is the application. When you click on that install app, it's going to be installed as an application here. So the next time, don't need to go to the website again. Just tap on the MassPay app, and it's going to load as an application on your phone. So automatically this login as an application. So guys, I look forward to see you in the next video. I'm Daniel Boy, and we shall meet at the top. Bye for now.